Last week on Polaris Off-Roader 2015, 4 contestants from Pune fought fair and square to secure their place at the grand finale. This week, the off-roader pit stops at the last regional round near Delhi. With over 2,000 entries received, the jury's decision to select the 23 wasn't as easy. The competition spans 3 stages. First, participants have to fill an online entry form on www.offroader.in, citing previous experience in off-roading or other adventure activities. The jury then sifts through all the entries received to pick the finalists of each regional round. Second, the regional rounds. The competition has 3 regional rounds: Chennai, Pune and Delhi NCR, exploring the various terrains the country has to offer. Third, the grand finale. 4 finalists from each regional round make their way to the grand finale to claim the RZR S800. Hello and a very warm welcome to the 3rd edition of Polaris Off-Roader 2015, coming out from the outskirts of Delhi. 22 contestants will be fighting it out of which only 4 will make it to the grand finale to win the grand prize of the RZR S800. So let's get started and meet the contestants. Hi guys, how are you doing?
Great.
Well, welcome to Polaris Off-Roader 2015. As you all know, this is the Delhi edition. So I'm going to take you through the first task. Okay, for today it's called the Jungle Trap. If you've been to a mini military boot camp, well, this is what it looks like.
Actually, it's very easy. For most of you who've been doing this for a few years, and I see most of you are the people who've been doing this for more than a few years. It's going to be a cakewalk.
You guys are all set?
Yep.
All right, let's go. Let's go. The contestants must complete all 6 obstacles to successfully cross the finish line. Ankush Walia, contestant number 3, seems determined to conquer the jungle trap. Ankush takes the penalty at the 2nd obstacle. Ankush earns a 2nd penalty at the 3rd obstacle. Having completed the mini boot camp, will Ankush be able to cross the last hurdle of the task? Bruised yet driven, Ankush successfully completes the jungle trap. A promising start for contestant number 9, Syed Shiraz. Contestant number 9, Syed Shiraz Shah, playing by the book, manages to tackle 3 obstacles successfully. But will his positive streak continue? As he tackles the obstacles with confidence, he looks all set to own the task. Syed seems to be having a bit of a problem pulling the RZR S800.
आगे फिर पीछे फिर आगे एक बार फिर पीछे।
Despite a great start, contestant number 9 did not finish the jungle trap. Sarika Vohra looks all set to successfully complete the jungle trap.
Great job, great job.
Contestant number 16, Sarika Vohra, earns a penalty at the third obstacle. The monkey trap sure is a tricky one to conquer. Off to a shaky start, Sarika makes it to the last leg of the jungle trap.
I saw all the 15 participants in front of me, and every time I thought, okay, I can do this. And the moment my chance came upon, I said every hurdle was seeming very tough for me. I managed, I think we had 6 out there. One was I couldn't complete, and then this one. Here, I don't know, the whole energy was almost drained. I think I would have fainted if I didn't stop. But I think that was just 10 feet away from the finish line. But maybe I'll put my best in that ATV section.
As the action continues behind me, we'll take a short break here, but lots more coming up on Polaris Offroader 2015 right after this. Stay tuned.